Good morning to everyone. Bon dia a tothom. For those who don't know me, I'm Marta Farrero and I'm the director of the Tarragona Province Tourism Board. And today I'm here to present you a new project on which we are working, the TurísTIC and Família. First of all, I would like to thank you for coming and thank FiraReus and the University Rovira i Virgili for giving us the opportunity to collaborate with them in the organization of this symposium. The importance of wine tourism in Costa Daurada and Terres de l'Ebre, with 8 wine designations of origin, makes our destination the perfect place to host this event. So, what is TurísTIC and Família project about? The Tourist Board of Tarragona Province Council is one of the beneficiary member entities of the Specialization and Territorial Competitiveness Project, PEC, TurísTIC and Família, led by the Tarragona Provincial Council and co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund of the European Union. The project is deployed in 11 operations that work to improve family tourism in the region through innovation, research, and technology. The main purpose of the project is to generate competitiveness, innovation, growth, and new direct and indirect employment, and to turn the tourist destinations of the Costa Daurada and Terres de l'Ebre into a global, innovative reference in family tourism. In fact, Costa Daurada and Terres de l'Ebre are already important family holidays destinations. And with this project, we are looking to deepen into this specialization. The Tourist Board is beneficiary of 3 of the 11 operations: cultural heritage, smart beach, and vineyards with the family. These operations are linked to the main tourism products of Costa Daurada and Terres de l'Ebre. In this occasion, we are going to focus in vineyards with the family operation, as it is related to the topic of this symposium. And what does vineyards with the family propose? The development of family-oriented wine tourism is a strategic approach that allows the tourist offer of the wine territories to be improved and diversified towards new segments. This operation aims to generate new activities and services for members of the family unit, addressing different age groups and in a different manner, and involving not only wineries, but accommodation and catering, among others. Why is wine tourism one of the main products of this project? In Costa Daurada and Terres de l'Ebre, we have unique wine and cellars from 8 designations of origin from the 12 origin existing in Catalonia, with well-known wine producing territories as Priorat, the only designation of origin recognized as qualified in Catalonia and one of the 2, along with La Rioja, in the rest of the country. A wide variety of vineyards, landscapes, wine routes, and activities, and unique cellars as the wine cathedrals, wineries of modernist style. In short, wine is a part of our culture and history. And how do we plan to achieve the project's goal? In order to achieve the goal of generating new wine tourism experiences for families, we have created a working network with stakeholders, including public administrations and private companies, with whom we analyze which are the main needs of families when visiting our destinations and how can their experience be improved. We also have conducted different studies on family tourism and the assets of our wine destinations in order to base the product development of the knowledge gain. Some of the main conclusions regarding recommendations for the development of wine tourism for families drawn from the research carried out so far are: Wine tourism activities and the culture of wine are compatible with children. Many experiences have been identified in our region, in other Spanish wine destinations, as well as in foreign destinations. All family members should be taken into account in the product development. The activities for families need to be adapted to children, but as well to the rest of the family. The landscape is a very important resource with great value for developing new activities in wine tourism. And that's why the operation is called Vineyards with the Family. Moreover, if we want to target families, facilities should be inclusive and accessible for them. And always thinking from a sustainable point of view is needed. We must protect our main resources, especially our environment and heritage, and stimulate both economic and social development for wine territories. Wine tourism activities for families should be sensory, experiential, and intergenerational. Finally, wine tourism can be easily combined with cultural tourism and active tourism to develop new activities as well as package. To sum up, we strongly believe that families are a niche market segment with great value for wine destinations and a product opportunity. For that reason, we are focused on keep researching and studying other destinations' experiences and good practices in order to learn and be inspired by them. Today, we are glad to have the chance to listen to one of the main experts of wine tourism in Napa Valley, Paul Wagner, that will explain us how a pioneering wine destination has started to target families. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you have any questions, I'd be glad to answer them.